Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about how to draw the curved arrow but filled with gradient color. So this arrow is different. So close to the arrowhead area there are no gradient, but at the tail of the arrow we have the gradient area. So let's try to do it. So first, let's go find the line tool. I'm going to draw the arrowhead first. Zoom in a little bit. What I would like to do is draw arrowhead, cover the major grid. Let's go. So left shift, two small grid, two small grid, and then go right and stop at one small grid. Right click, and then use the line tool, draw the right side of the arrowhead with two stop at the two small grid right at the central line, and then move to left, stop at one small grid at the right. Click enter. Now we get the arrowhead. Next step, we are going to get the curved body and the tail. So let's try to find the circle tool. We are going to use 2-point circle. Click it, and then start the first point here, and then right, move to right. So the circle size is going to be about 8 major grid. You will count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about this size. Now you see that if we cut somewhere, so the arrowhead and the body look at consistent. Look at better. Now let's draw the second circle. I start it here, and then I stop two more grid at the right of the circle. Now I get the body of the arrow. Now let's try to cut it. So if I cut here, so it looks like that the size of the tail, the size of the head looks okay. We'll cut it from here. Now I use the trim tool to trim out something I don't want. Okay, now it looks better. I just keep it here. Right click, hit enter. Now I'm going to draw another line from here, stop here. So this section I'm going to fill with gradient color. This section I'm going to fill with uniform color. So let's go find Hedge tool. Go to Hedge. Now select this pick point and then select solid blue color. And then let's fill it. And close it. Okay, now the head and the body close to the head with the same uniform color. Now let's fill the tail with the color. Go find the head tool, and then select gradient. Now I want to use this is gradient curve, and then I fill it. I zoom in a little bit. Look at the connection. The connection is not quite uniform, it's not quite continuous. Let's go find the angle here. Look at here. I drag a little bit. Now we can change the orientation of the connection. Now it looks better, and then this is about 90 degrees. Close it. Now I get the area with the gradient color field. Delete some line that I don't want. Okay. The following step we're going to do is select the entire area and then go home, find this is block. We're going to create a block. See, this is the curved area. Curved area 2. This is the block name. Because I want to group them together, so I use the block to group them together. Now let's try to manipulate. I can rotate, I can copy, paste. So let's go find rotate tool. Click it and select the arrow. Right click. Now select it. Right click. Now I want to stop it here. Rotate it. I want to have orientation like this way. And then let's try to move it. Click move tool. Select 0, right click, and then we move it. We put it here. Now it looks the same as the first error. We put it here. Now I get the error. Say I want to copy and get one more. Copy it. Select it. Right click and move it. And enter. This is how I draw a curved area with gradient color field. So the body close to the head is uniform. The gradient is really at the tail of the arrow. Thank you very much for watching.